So for this activity, students will be required to go to www.training.gov.au. And what you will need to do when you get here is we want to go in and open up the three packages below. So the construction, plumbing and service training package, the training and assessment package, and the tourism, hospitality and events package. From here, what we're going to do is check to see if the user recommendation is either superseded, like it says down here, or current. So we can answer this question. But while we're in there, we're going to have a quick look and maybe even open up one of the packages to have a look at the elements, performance criteria, range statements, competency standards, and employability skills. So our first step we need to do is we need to open up a browser. We need to type in training.gov.au, and then when we get into here, we've got a little button up the top here saying search. So we're going to click on search. Now we're going to scroll down here, we're going to have a look for nationally recognised training components such as training packages, qualifications, accredited courses, units of competency and skill sets. We're going to click on search for training components. Now if you remember just back to the system before, it said up here these are the ones we want to look up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy that out, or we can write it in. So SIT 1, 2, so 12. And we're going to put that in here. When we click search, we'll tick all the boxes here and it'll bring up anything that relates to it. It brings up that there is currently one course, and this course is current. So if you remember back to that question, it'd say which one's not current, so it's obviously not this one here. We click on SIT. So now we're in at the SIT 12 package. What we want to do is go down, and we'll get down and we'll pick a package. So in this situation, we'll pick the Certificate 2 in Hospitality. Now the Certificate 2 of Hospitality package is opened up. When we get inside here, we can look at the package rules for the qualification by clicking under the qualification and either PDF or the Word file, and this will bring up the qualification package rules, and this will explain the course, the description of the course, the job roles. It'll also go down or go through pathways into the qualification and any entry requirements or licensing. And then it'll go through the employabilities for this course. This course has employability skills. These would need to be met when trying to achieve the qualification. And then as we go down, we get to the package rules. And the package rules, in this case, are 6 units must be completed, 4 core units, 2 electives, and it tells you the rules about where these electives can come from. To get into the elements and performance criteria, you're going to need to go into a unit as a similar sort of process, but at a unit level. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come in and we're just going to pick the first one here, and we're going to just remember it's work effectively with others. I'm going to go back to our package rules where we found the package, and we scroll down here and you'll see that that's there, work effectively with others, and we're going to click on that. What this does is open up that unit by itself. So we've broken the package into a unit, and now we're into a unit. We're going to go down to description, unit of competency. We're going to click on the PDF here, and it brings us a very similar file as a separate file, and basically this is at unit level. Now as we get into unit level and we scroll down, we'll start to see the unit description about the unit, how it should be applied to the application, licensee regulatory information, prerequisites, employability skills information, and then we have something called elements and performance criteria. So the performance criteria, these are made up into the elements. So to be able to be satisfactory in an element, you must be satisfactory in each one of these first. Then we have our elements performance criteria going down, and then we get to our required skills and knowledge, and these are the required skills and knowledge that will need to be achieved and satisfactory before you'd be deemed competent in the unit. We then go down, we've also got our critical aspects of assessment, so what must be looked at, methods of assessment, and then our range statement. And these relate to the unit competency as a whole, and they allow for different environments for training. So that's basically this project and task in a nutshell.